Hi everyone, today we're at Scotney Castle in Kent. This place is amazing. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. There's an old castle, a Victorian manor house and some of the most beautiful gardens you'll ever see. Ready to explore? Let's go! Let's start with the old castle. Built in the late 14th century, this moated beauty was originally a fortified manor. Over time, it fell into romantic ruin, but interestingly, that was intentional. In the 1800s, the owners thought ruins were fashionable, so they left part of it standing just for aesthetics. This is definitely one of my favourite National Trust properties. Let me know your favourite in the comments. The gardens are picturesque and full of vibrant colours. It's basically a year-round Instagram spot. The whole estate covers 780 acres, with woodland trails and interesting trees like this one. Walk up the hill and boom, you're in the 19th century. The Victorian manor house was built in 1837 by Edward Hussey III. It was intentionally positioned to overlook the old castle below and the beautiful gardens around it. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's take a look inside. Anyone fancy a drink? Even though it's full of period furniture and grand old portraits, it still feels like you're stepping into someone's actual home. The Hussey family actually preserved it just like that all the way until 2006 with the plan to donate it to the National Trust. I'll end the video here in the living room. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more amazing places like Scotney Castle.